child.
How old are you, Jack?
I'm 10.
10. So where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
I'm from Vietnam. Okay, so this is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now you look at this picture. So this is the beach, right? So where is the mountain? So how's the weather on the mountain? Is it rainy or sunny?
Rainy.
Rainy, right? It's rainy. What is this?
No.
Clouds, right? Okay. So what is this?
Restaurant.
Restaurant. So what is this?
Pizza.
Pizza. This is a shop. Okay. So what can you buy at the shop?
Watch.
Watch. How many watches are there?
There are 3 watch.
Okay. So now I have a pink watch and a green watch. So what do you like? Which one do you like?
I like green watch.
Green watch. Okay, I like green watch too. So what is this?
Restaurant.
Restaurants. Okay, so what can you eat at the restaurant?
Eat a hamburger.
Oh, you eat hamburger? Okay. Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Yes, okay. So now you look at this man. Okay? So, what is he doing?
He take a photo.
Oh, he's taking a photo, right? Okay, so what is he doing?
He playing the guitar.
Playing the guitar. So can you play the guitar?
No.
No, you can't. Okay. So what is this?
Building.
Building. Okay, good. So now you look at this man. Okay, what are they doing? What are they doing? They are
Nearing the mountain.
climbing the mountain, right? So what are they doing?
They are swimming.
They are swimming. Good. Okay. So now Jack. What is this?
Bear.
Bear, right? Okay. So where can you see a bear? Can you see a bear in Vietnam?
No.
No. So where? Where can you see a bear?
I can see bear in the China.
In China. Okay. Do you like bear?
Yes.
So what is your favorite animal? What animal do you like?
I like cat.
You like cats? Okay. So what are these?
Boy.
Boots.
Goose.
What color are the boots?
It's brown.
Brown. What are these?
Hands.
Pants. So are you wearing pants?
No.
So what are you wearing?
I'm wearing socks.
Oh, shorts. Okay, good. What is this?
A house.
A house. Do you live in a house?
Yes.
Okay, so is there any garden near your house?
No.
No? Okay, there isn't any garden. Good. So, which one is tablet? This one? Okay. So, what can you do with the tablet? I can listen to music. What can you do?
I can play game.
You can play games. Do you like play video games?
Yes.
Okay. So, who's this? Fire.
Firefighter.
Firefighter. Okay, so what is this?
Chamber.
Chamber. What color is the chamber?
It's green.
Green. Okay. So now, Jake, this is your pencil, and this is my pencil. So my pencil is black and red. It's short and old. So let's tell me about your pencil.
My pencil is orange and white. Tall.
It's tall and is it old or new? Is it old or new?
New.
New and new. Okay, thank you. your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. So what is yours?
My favorite color is green.
Green? You like green? Okay, so do you have any brothers or sisters?
My sister,
Oh, you have sisters? So how many sisters do you have?
one.
One sister, so what's her name?
And my
Mai? Her name is Mai? Okay, how old is she?
she is 7.
7 years old? Oh, good. So now, can you play tennis?
No,
So can you play basketball?
no.
So can you ride a bike? Can you
Yes.
ride a bike? Okay. Are you good at it?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So this